Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Range Rover Vogue. First of all, we have to make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on there, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. It'll already be set to pair, but I'll just go through the motions anyway. So you can either go to Home menu, and there it says please pair phone, or straight into phone, and it's saying search for new. So into phone, search for new, vehicle to device. I do always make it hard for myself because it was paired before and I've just deleted it, so sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but you can see there it's come up on the screen. Click, and to pair and connect phone, enter 5878, so 5878 pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, so allow. Range Rover connected, the phone's connected to the audio system, and now the audio system's connected to the phone. That's how you do it.